Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the volume on your Vizio TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your volume no longer works. How do you actually fix it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to do is that you want to turn on your TV. And then with your Vizio Smart TV remote, you want to click on Menu, which is this button right here. And then you want to navigate to where it says Audio. So click on Audio. Now with Audio, you want to make sure that the speakers are set to auto or that the speakers are on, okay? So if your speakers are off, that means no sound is going to be playing. So what you want to do is that you want to set it to auto. That's what I do. Now, if your sound continues not to work, the other thing that you can do is that you can turn off your TV. And then next, you're going to unplug your TV, okay? So unplug your TV and then leave it unplugged for about a minute or so. During that minute, you want to go ahead and hold the power button, which is located on the back of your TV, for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you want to make sure that the minute is almost up. After a minute is up, you want to replug in back to your TV and then turn it back on. So once you turn back on your TV, what you've essentially done was a soft reset of your TV. Now your sound should work. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a Vizio TV with no sound. If you guys know of a better, so that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to fix the volume on Vizio TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.